Here I've got ALCATEL 1X from 2019, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So let's take a look at the current one. Here it is, so we are set up with English. Now let's open the list of all apps, find and select the settings. Now you have to locate System, click on Languages and Input, and now go to Virtual Keyboard. Here pick Gboard, and now go to the languages. Click on Add Keyboard to select some other language. Here can come along with all the possible options, and let me choose, for example, Yiddish. Tap on Done, and now remove the current language. And as you can see now, if we will open the messages again, we've got brand new keyboard language. So this is it. Then if you'd like to go back to English, you have to perform the same operation. So just open the settings, then find and select System, go to Languages and Input, pick Virtual Keyboard and select Gboard, go to the languages, add keyboard, English US, tap on Done and remove Yiddish. So that's it. As you can see now we are back in English. This is how you can very quickly, smoothly and easily change keyboard dictionary in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.